One wrong move and I'm fucking dead. Not yet. We fucking did it! We did it! We fucking did it! Holy hell! How? Bro, no way! No way! Bro, this is impossible. That's impossible. I did that shit. No way, bro. No way. I can't believe this. I don't believe this. This happened.